Sorry, buddy, sorry. I went too close to the side of the door, my bad.
This spider picked the perfect spot to settle down.
Watch out, 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 watch out.
Everyone here respects its personal space.
What? The spider brings it up every night and takes it down every morning?
Yep.
So far, they've only learned to carry the trash halfway down the road.